What are cookies and how does it help in affiliate marketing? And what is first click and last click attribution? This is what we are going to learn today. Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of affiliate marketing by ShoutMeLoud. This is a free video series for all of you to learn about affiliate marketing. Now, in the first video, I explained to you about what is affiliate marketing. And in this video, we are going to understand what are cookies and how does it helps. So let's understand what cookies are. So whenever we browse any website, the browser stores information about our preference. For example, whenever you go to a website, you see those pop-ups or you see those cookie consent where like you say, I accept. But the next time when you visit the website, it doesn't shows the pop-up or the cookie consent. Well, that's what the cookie does. It's a tiny file which is stored by your browser. And it's because of the cookies, the companies or the affiliate marketplace understand that the sale has come from you. Now, cookie has a lifespan. Like for example, Amazon has a 24-hour cookie. That means when somebody clicks on your affiliate link and if they make purchase within first 24 hours, you get a commission. Now, many other affiliate programs have higher cookie life, like 30 days, 60 days. Some of them also have lifetime, which is amazing and which actually helps. But the real question is, what if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and somebody else's affiliate link as well? Who will get the commission? Well, that's where the first click and last click attribution come into the picture. And let's understand this with an example. So if somebody clicks on your affiliate link, they visited the website, but just before making the purchase, they actually visited somebody else's link. Now, this is where the affiliate policies of the product comes into the picture. Most of the affiliate programs have last click attribution. That means whichever the last affiliate link they clicked on before making the purchase, the sale will be added to that particular person. Now, there are few affiliate programs which also has first click attribution. So in first click attribution, if somebody visited a website by clicking your link, but they have made purchase by clicking on somebody else's link, you are the one who's going to get commission. And that's how the cookie and first click and last click attribution helps. Now, if you're already part of certain affiliate program, it's a good practice that you go back and check their affiliate terms and condition and ask this basic question. What is the cookie life of this particular affiliate program? Is it first click or last click attribution? It's a very vital piece of information which will help you in the longer period to make more money from affiliate marketing. Nonetheless, the fundamental of cookies also apply to other aspects of digital marketing, such as email marketing. And you remember the first example I gave you about the email pop-up? Well, that's where the cookie also plays an important role. So I hope today you learned something new. Now, in the upcoming series of this video, I'll help you understand more about affiliate marketing, stuff like recurring affiliate program, link clocking, and many other aspects of affiliate marketing which will help you to make most out of affiliate marketing. Now, before we bid goodbye, I have a small suggestion. You can subscribe to my channel and you can click on bell icon. Now, how this will help is whenever I publish the next video in this series, you will be the first one to get notified. And probably that's the best way to stay updated with our affiliate marketing series by ShoutMeLoud. And if you know somebody who is in dire need of changing their career or planning to make their career in blogging and affiliate marketing, well, you can recommend this video series to them. It will help them and it will also help me to grow, to reach out to the people who are in need. Well, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. This is Harsh.